welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Dikshita Das and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe down below. So thank you guys that I have hit 1k subscribers, and now I am here with, I have put some outdoor vlogs and I am going to do more and more outdoor things. First I'm going to show you my house, which was mostly wanted, a house tour. So today's video is all about my house tour, so enjoy. My half of the house is today's modern type and half of the house is old types, so because of my grandparents I can say. So let's get the video started. Starting from the entrance, this is the door of my entrance. I'm not going to open it because he is always ready to go out. So this is my entrance and this I will come back afterward. So this is my entrance one, and after entering, this is a kind of living room where he is eating everything. Ignore. So this is the sofa kind of thing we have kept for some people to come and sit and visit. And here there is something on, I'm going to make a kebab. It's not in the video, I'm sorry guys, but it's still here, so please ignore this part. This is the table and 4 chairs for our members. So next I'm coming. So this is the place, a basin, this is the mirror, and this is the basin one after entering. So please ignore. So after that, let's come to my room. Straight coming to my room, this is the room I'm staying here from starting of my life. This is not even renovated or anything, so this is kind of a place to sleep, I can say. Goofy is doing something, that's why my grandfather is shouting. So this is the room I stay here totally. Okay, here is my mom busy talking, and here there was a AC, so now we put there a painting kind of thing, and my AC is here. So little messy because of Goofy. He just take things, bite and destroy things everywhere. So here I come to my dressing table. This is the dressing table here. Here are some products, and mainly the products are here which I showed you on my live. So these are my these are the things I spent. I love spending time here, sitting here in the morning. So here is my cupboard. Here my mom and me keep everything. So this is my study thing. Here I keep my foods, their chocolates and art and crafting, and then my books. And here is something I have done here all over, from my junior days to my senior, and every memory I could do, and some pictures of my god I have. So this was it. Here this TV, the camera is on, so the camera is showing here in all of my streets. And here nothing much, 4 drawers I keep thing, and my bed. That's it in my room. And yes, there is also a balcony here where normally Goofy use it, but today it is clean. I cleaned it. So yes, take CC. Why I say he destroyed everything? He took the shoe and went off. So this is the balcony. From here the streets can be seen, and even my school, if you can see here, this is my school of the back here. So mainly this is the whole balcony I use normally to spend time. So now let's go to my grandparents' room. In the beginning I said there is something very old, So this is the place normally we use to keep little bit of clothes. Normally this is called alna. So I keep it there. And what he is doing is he's eating Surf Excel. Not eating, he's biting the packet. This is my grandfather's room. Here a mirror. Mirror is must in our rooms. And here is the Tagore every god thing. Here the puja happens. So, and here is a small sofa come bed or sofa. We have kept it as a sofa till now. And here is my grandfather. He's watching something on TV now. So I have switched it off. It's a simple old basic room normally. So that's it, and let's go to my grandmother's room. This is my grandmother's room. This is the entry part where the sofa was kept. Here is a cupboard type of thing, and here is the almari, and here is my grandmother sleeping. So this is the room with a TV and a mirror too, and here is my father's cupboard. So this is all here. I stopped the video because I wanted to show you the door here. So the point is I didn't continue. There was a second door there to my kitchen, but and the way to go upstairs, but I stopped because it was a suspense what is there in this door. So I just got into this small tiny door and it goes to my kitchen, and this is the kitchen here. Here is the freeze, here are the kitchen slabs, gas cylinder, chimney and all the stuff. So this is a proper kitchen, and this was the door that my grandmother won. So that's it, this floor. So let's go up. So here is the stairs, and here is the kitchen one. Special thanks to Ruchi Thakur for this video. This video shout out goes to Ruchi Thakur because she is the one to give me the idea for this whole thing, and now I am doing it because I love her the most, I guess. So here is the window, and I got up the stairs. So now here is the part where the renovation is going on, and the studio and everything. So sorry, so first I'm going into the studio. Mom is still here, so I'm going to show you my part of where the renovation will go on. I guess here I'm going to get a room, I guess. So here is the entrance. After entering, there is a washing machine, a small, this is the small washroom kind of thing, a small one. This is the window one, and here is also a window. I haven't shoot anything yet till now in this portion. This is the fab place I have, and here are my some stuffs which I don't use, or some stuffs we don't need regular. This is kind of storage kind of the part now. Sorry. So now, oh, here we did the Rangoli one. Yes, remember. So now let's come to the studio one. So this is my studio. This was the door. This is the place where I mostly take any kind of pictures and any kind of videos. This is the place, most wanted place, my room. These are the lights. You can see the ceiling here. I said modern part of my house. This is the place my mom mainly teach her student makeup and all, and everything here is there. This is the studio. Hi mom. It's magic. Okay, so this is a sofa. Yes, so this is a sofa, and now let's get into the washroom part because I love this washroom very much. So this light changes. So these are the light it changes. There is a rose I normally shoot with, and this is the place, my lovely place. I have shoot this corner too, if you guys remember, many reviews and all. So this is the place I keep everything normally, and here is also a place where I keep everything, and my mom's also keep, and this place also we keep so many things even after having things in our room. So that's it for my studio and this floor. So let's get to my third or fourth floor, because ground floor I don't have, we have stairs and we come up. That's it. So let's get up. So now we are upstairs. So this is my whole chat, we can say, roof where Goofy plays. I will give some video of Goofy also, because I forget. Like, I shoot but I don't do a proper shoot with introduction and outro, so I forget to like shoot and post it. So guys, I will do that also. And this is my father's room, I can say that. My parents sleep here mainly. This up and down goes too much. So coming here, this is the place I decorated. You can see this. This is actually decorated by me and my brother Shrishto, but I didn't post this YouTube video. I'm really sorry, but there was some technical issue and all. Some videos were lost, so I couldn't do it. My mom and dad anniversary. So here are some chairs and all. Here is the carpet, a small freeze. Let me show you guys. So we keep normally water, cold drinks, or mainly my stuffs. So keeping that aside, here is a drawer with a mirror. Mirror is very common in my house. Here is the mega bedroom. My mom. This is what I say, camera addicted person. First floor, mom. Second floor, mom. Third floor, mom. Hello. Exactly. So this is the giant bed, big bed. Oh, disturbing me. Firstly Goofy, then my mom. Then here is the TV where I normally watch everything, and here is a cupboard too. So this is all, not yet. This is all for the room. And now the upper roof. I can see. Here you will not be able to see. You will not be able to see me because it's not day and I don't have light there. But I will switch on the flashlight and I will show you guys. Okay. So this is the stairs, and this is the awesome part. See, this is the 5th floor. Here is some kuasha I can see, and this is the total roof I have. Oh my god. And the sky looks awesome. You can see here all night, all day. Not the day one, but the sky looks awesome. So that's it. And here is a one washroom kind of thing which we normally use, and you can take a bath also. So that's it, my whole house tour. And to be honest, when I am going to get that room, if I get that room, I'm going to make that room video alag se. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. So give a thumbs up and comment down below what video you want next. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell icon if you haven't, and also go follow on my Instagram, link down. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye.